Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the poem Rebel. It is written by DJ Enright. This poem he discuss about the characteristics of rebel. Do you know what is rebel or who is rebel? A rebellion person, he used to disagree with you always or with your friends. Sometimes he want to do the opposite thing what you want to do. Those personalities are used to called as rebel. Let's move to the poem Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everyone want to have short hair, the rebellion person used to grow his hair long. When everyone want to have long hair, while the rebellion person used to cut his hair very short. Look at the next four lines. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Inside the class, when all the students are discussing about the lesson, the rebellion person he used to stay quiet. But everyone used to listen the lesson very carefully. The rebellion person always make noise and want to disturb the class. Let's move to the next four lines. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means very dull. When all the students used to wear uniform, the rebellion person want to wear fantastic cloth, which means beautiful clothes, and he used to wear the beautiful clothes only. When everyone wears beautiful clothes, he used to wear very dull clothes. Come to the next four line. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dog. The rebellion person used to go to the dog lover and he used to speak merits about the cat to the dog lover, and to the cat lover he used to prefer the cat. For the cat lover he used to prefer the dog. Move to the next four lines. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. In these lines, the poet he is describing that when everybody is praising the sun, the rebellion person want to have rain. When everybody is praising the rain, the rebel he used to feel sorry about the absence of sun. Let's move to the next line. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and read a book. When everybody stays at home and read a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Here the poet he is describing that when everyone are going for work, the rebellion person always stays at home and reading books and wasting his time. When everybody want to rest at their home, this rebellion person he used to go for a work. Come to the next four lines. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. If someone is giving something to you, all the people used to tell yes, please, but the rebellion person will tell no, thank you. But when everyone will tell no, thank you, the rebellion person he used to tell yes, please, which means he want to receive the things which was rejected by others. Let's move to the last two lines. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Here the point he is supporting for the rebel, he is telling that it's always good to be a rebel because we will grab the attentions of other very easily if we are rebel, right? Every person will get noticed by us. But if you are rebel always, definitely it won't be good. You should stay alone if you want to be a rebel. You can't mingle with the people. This is the theme the writer he used to tell us. So you have to decide whether you want to become a rebellion person or not. Thank you.